this special edition of the new Getting Beak DVD series. Each purchase will help thousands of companion birds who are relinquished to rescues, foster homes and sanctuaries nationwide. As donations get harder to find, this will help provide funding to those organizations who feed, care and provide for them to continue their work. I'm Corene and I have been in love and fascinated with birds all of my life. In particular, understanding their behavior. I've had the wonderful opportunity of working with some of the movie's top animal trainers, but realized it wasn't what I could train an animal to do for our entertainment that mattered most to me. It was what I could do for them. Sharing our knowledge and helping each other and paying it forward are things I value. And this Getting Beak to Beak series, I intend to do just that. I will bring well-known experts, behaviorists and veterinarians to your screen and explore a wide range of topics to get behind the eyes and into the minds of the birds we share our lives with. Join me on that journey. Help me give back to the birds we care so much about. Support this, make your purchase and spread the word. Thank you.